This is ZOYU-INFORM, at on our spaceless world. Insightful facts about the universe you should endlessly add to your clusters of specialized knowledge shells. Wow, the luminaries of stars, the solitary power of nature, and the large authenticity of its laws has marveled humans beyond specific hydration levels. Many of us have heard terms like our world, our planet, the universe, since time immemorial, even before we started speaking words like daddy and mommy. And what is it all about? Universe, that word could laymanly be defined as that large expanse without length sequence where everything found themselves in or exists. According to the generally acceptable beliefs brought and held by scientists world over before spreading its tentacles to everyone, at least, is that the universe came into being from a gigantic cosmic explosion, an event which occurred in between or in the space of 13.3 billion years to 13.9 billion years ago. Okay, um, the uh, collision is the famous and widely known term, the Big Bang. And after that huge diverse splitting due to unimaginable heat, many particles, take for example neutrons, protons, and electrons, came into existence. In the passage of time, these particles were the co-founders and founding fathers of diverse atoms of different gases, and the combination of dust uh, and other unmentioned particles and the atoms of different gases resulted in the formation of the intensive luminaries we call stars today. One of the stars, the sun, was formed or came into reality precisely according to scientific discoveries and beliefs 4.6 billion years ago. And at that time, sun was born. At that time, sun was born. Huge clouds of gases and dust were set free and evicted, and they are the founding fathers of our Earth and systematically planets. Now, what are stars? Stars could be defined as those large bodies compounded with gases and from which enormous huge quantity of energy and light are produced from. Stars in absolutely is absolutely in all sizes. It comes in absolutely all sizes. Take for example, the neutron stars have only about 6 miles as its radius, while Plato stars are 100 times bigger than the sun. A galaxy is a very expansive family of dust, stars, and gases, all held together by the massive bonding force of gravity. As a known fact to astronomers that they have this belief in the possibilities of finding millions of galaxies out there in space. Folks asking questions amounting from where is our galaxy? What is the name of our galaxy? Should things be distressed as the answers are vividly yeah. Our human galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy, so called because of the scenario and color it depicts when we picture it from a distance. And that's where our solar system resides. In the solar system, as most of us, is a family named for the sun, planets, and other objects like asteroids and meteoroids commonly held together by gravity. The sun, as we know under, is a giant star. It's a giant star that is stationed and non-movable in the middle of the planets and minor objects around it. It's a steady fact that is the largest object in our solar universe, being a massive star 330,000 times bigger than our Earth, made up of majorly hydrogen and helium gases. Its temperature at the core of the sun is 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, with the surface blazing at 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Its intensive heat and magnetic force who the 8 planets in the orbits on eclipses. The octoplanets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Thanks for viewing ZOYU-INFORM.